Becoming a loved one, neuroplasticity through prognostication, entering a reality through influential vision for outcomes intention. Have you ever meditated upon the words of Yeshua, Isa, Jesus, when he stated, "I and my Father are one"? There is a principle in becoming one that unfortunately is understood by most, as one fully and intelligently overstands as template's intention. Wholeness's degree that equates as influence is some measure. One is fully contained as the expanse as knowing well, as this is as well knowing as one. This is revealing's transparent revelation that does not bind and or restrict one, as it is the flowing garment of parental covering that is beyond as transmutation's pearly reward. Transparency. Transparence are the parental guidance beyond as it is a measure within. Introspection's reward that inconspicuously comes present as a conspicuous garment of resolve. Mut. The alchemist gold standard of death. Through the journey of life, we render clear death's definition to resolve death's intention. In becoming one heart and mind of our Mother, Father, Source, one's heart must mind what matters to Mother, Father, Source. As one, we are given divine ordinances that one is required to know and guard, as this is what honors one's parents. These ordinances encamp and enclose one, separating out by uniting and twining what is and what is not in the becoming of one being. One is sacredly holy and is only equaled and balanced by another one that equates to equal the measure of one as a whole. Thus, by definition, we establish Aleph as an equal, as both stand alone as one's full unlimited potential. One as Aleph is centered and balanced as vision's influential intention, a resonating power that emits sovereignty's strength as one. An expansive frequency that is wholly standing, being as potential supreme reward. One is as being completely and fully surrendered to the turning to that which called one, as this is the key of absolute perfection, the covering of rightful admittance that opens the door as left's return. Welcome to Center's balanced stand of one love, a unique measure that has arisen as being supremacy's authoritative council that is seated as neutrality's well-governed estate as arose. Shalom, shalom.